All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-thru for a nice little second quarter edition of the drive-thru, sponsored by Deli. Hungry? Stop by Deli. Get yourself a Cajun chicken, Cajun turkey, pepperoni sandwich on sourdough with pepper jack cheese and sriracha hot mustard. It's a hot Thursday today. It's hot in here, okay? And we're also probably going to have some chocolate-covered raisins and possibly some Harvest Cheddar Sun Chips. Get it all at the deli. Stop by the deli and see our new sign. Okay, case of the missing diagram. The line segments joining the vertex angle of an isosceles triangle to the trisection points of the base are congruent. Holy cow. Here's another way to write this. If an isosceles triangle has a base that has been trisected, then the segments joining the vertex to those trisection points are congruent. But I teach this, so it's easier for me to dissect that. You guys are probably as good at the math as I am. I think I might just be a little bit better at the language. That's what being older and having more experience does for you, okay? In general, if you think about it, people don't tend to get better at math as they get older. Some people do, but not most. All right, who's got a 5-letter name in here that doesn't repeat? Dennis, thank you. It's been our popular go-to. We're going to have a new one. All right, so what are we given? What are we given? Come on, class. Excellent. Triangle Des is isosceles with DE congruent to DZ. Okay, I got to declare which two sides are congruent. What else are we given? No, we're not given that. We got to finish up our givens. Connor? Excellent. DN and DI trisect. Easy. All right, Jonathan, now I think I could say what you said, but I'm not going to start my proof until I do what? Until I prove it in my head. So, what am I trying to prove here? That the pink segments are congruent. Excellent. I know this. I'm going to be able to get to this. I think I'm going to be able to get to this, right? By definition of trisect. Do you guys see the sassy little solution right in front of your faces? Well, let's go. We got it now, right? So, big angle E is congruent to big angle Z by what, Jonathan? If the sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite of those sides are congruent. EN is congruent to NI, is congruent to IZ. I just list all three of them. Not that we needed the middle one, but it just seems, since it's being trisected, it makes more sense to me to say that that is the definition of trisect. Okay? Next step. Triangle DEN is congruent to triangle DZI. What's my reason? SAS. And finally, DN is congruent